Hi YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, today I'm doing just a really quick video about Instant cooking. I'm trying to keep up with the cooking series because I get a lot of positive feedback about folks who really don't have a lot of time and who want to prepare nice healthy meals. Well, this one might not be that healthy, but nice good meals, tasty meals for their selves or for their families. And so today what I did is I made a quick Instant lamb stew. I want to show you I didn't go through the steps, but I'll talk you through the steps just because I was making it and I had to do some work at the same time, so I wasn't able to record the steps. But what I did today is I marinated some lamb stew or some lamb that I got from Costco. Costco is my favorite place. It's a good place to get good meat, and for my folks who are eating halal meat or eating kosher meat, they have a lot of selections for kosher and halal meat, and the lamb actually is kosher and halal. So what I did is I actually got some lamb chopped up at Costco, about 2.5 pounds, oh actually 3 pounds of lamb, and I marinated it. I marinated it with Soy Vay, and I'll show you that in a second. And then I put it in Instant Pot. So I'm gonna turn it around and I'm gonna go through the ingredients and I'm gonna show you what I came up with, and I'll let you know exactly the steps that I went through. So with that, let's get at it. So for my recipe today, what I did is I marinated about 4 pounds of lamb. As you can see, it's in the pot, it's already cooked, it's a nice stew. And I marinated with Soy Vay sweet heat chili. The marinade is actually a little thick, so when you put it with your meat, you wanna mix it with a little bit of water. And then I let it marinate for about 3 days. Yeah, about 3 days. So I put it in my refrigerator. I put it in a bag, Ziploc bag. I marinated with Soy Vay, as you can see. I actually like their marinades. And then I marinated it for 3 days. And then after that, what I did is I just poured the whole marinade mix in the pot. I put the Instant Pot on pressure cook. I pressure cooked it for an hour, and then this is what I came up with. And I want to say that it's actually really nice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually eat this today. You can serve this over rice. You can serve this by itself with just like bread, which I'm going to probably eat it with French bread today. But it comes out nice, and the meat is really nice and off the bone. I'm not going to go too much into it because, like I said, it's going to be a really quick video for folks who just really need to cook quickly. Don't have to think about it. I set it with the pressure setting. I locked the pressure setting down on the top. I locked it into the lock mode, and then I had it pressure cooked for about an hour. I probably could have done less time, but I wanted to make sure that it was fully cooked. And then I let it go, and it notified me when it was done, and I was, this is what I came up with. So just a quick video today. This is your boy GB Reviews. I'm signing out. Have a nice weekend, and again, thank you to all my Instagram followers. Please subscribe below. Thank you.
Subscribe right below.